we'll guide you through how to use Blender Rigify to rig your models. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and ensure you have the latest version installed, as Rigify is integrated with Blender by default. Once you're in Blender, go to the Edit menu at the top and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, switch to the Add-ons tab. In the search bar, type Rigify to locate the add-on, and make sure to check the box next to its name to enable it. Close the Preferences window and go back to your main workspace. Now, to add a Rigify armature, press Shift+A to open the Add menu, then go down to Armature and select Human Meta Rig. This will create a basic human skeleton in your scene. You need to position and scale this meta rig to fit your model. Enter Edit mode using the Tab key, and adjust the bones to match your character's proportions by selecting and moving them. Once your meta rig is aligned, exit Edit mode by pressing Tab again. With the meta rig selected, go to the Object Data Properties panel on the right, which looks like a little stick figure icon. Scroll down to find the Rigify Buttons section and click on the Generate Rig button. This will create a fully featured rig with controls that you can use to animate your model. You can switch between pose mode and object mode with the Tab key to manipulate the rig or further adjust it. Remember, the generated rig can be customized, so feel free to explore the various control features it offers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.